Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can let ChatGPT continue writing when you enter, when you want a long answer. For example, you want a story, a long story, just in my case, I am choosing a sort of a long and scary story about a girl who heard strange noises in her basement. Made the story at least 2000 words long. So this is my prompt, so I want that long story, and yeah, probably ChatGPT will just cut off the sentence, and I need to, but I want to make it longer. So what you need to do, we need to wait. You should need to tap on a button called Continue Writing. That will appear when ChatGPT cuts off its sentence. So we will see. As you see right here, but here willpower, and you see, it cuts off. But you need to tap on this button, continue generating. And boom, ChatGPT is just generating the sentence. It's just writing again. So it's really easy. You can now generate very long scripts, long stories with ChatGPT. And it will generate just a good script, good sentence, good. Yeah. So this video was helpful. Please subscribe to the channel because it means a lot. And I see you guys in the next video.